What up everybody, Intellect Joe back at you for another video. Today I got something cool. We're picking up some mirrors for the Civic, the GT3 carbon mirrors. Thank you Casey for hooking me up on these. So we're here right now. I don't know if I can show you guys around a little bit. I'm not sure what we can do, but I already see a bunch of sick cars out here, so I'm gonna head in there, and then if I can't get any footage, I'll be showing you guys the mirrors after. Following that, what we're gonna make sure to do is kind of put together an install video. So this is the whole setup here. We have the plates. We've got the actual arms that the mirrors themselves mount to. We've got some button socketed cap screws, these ball studs, these nylon countersunk washers, and then almost looks like a pipe plug type thing, and then a lock washer. Now the arm also has this little flat socket head, screw on top of it. So the first step is actually dropping in one of these ball studs into this hole here. We're going to drop the ball stud in there, let it go in. Then we're going to drop the lock washer in there, it says. After we drop the lock washer in there, then we're also going to go ahead and follow it back up with this little pipe plug looking thing. Then snug it up and drive that in there. So now we see little pipe plugs in there. First is ball stud, lock washer, then this little adapter there. We're going to go ahead and get the actual mirror. The mirror on the bottom has a rubber grommet already pre-installed, and then a hole on top. So what you do is there's two of the actual arms that mount the mirror to the car. Take off this flat socket head that's up here. Alright, we'll back that out. Once we back that out, then what you want to do is take it, pop it in there, kind of get it in nice and snug into the groove there. We're gonna go ahead and get this nylon countersink washer, slap it on there, and then use the flathead, this flat socket head cap screw, to go ahead and join the two pieces together. And we'll go ahead and do the same for the other side now.